Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am sorry, I am really hoarse. I don't have a sore throat or anything, I'm just hoarse. I don't know why. If I'm getting a cold, I hope not. So, but that's not why you're here. I got an ATC swap, Jesus, I can't talk. From Donna's Dream times 2. Let's see what she sent me, guys. Oh, and this is hosted by Miss Cat's Crafting 2024 ATC trade. I'm really sorry. Look at this cool bag. I don't want to wreck it. Okay, awesome. I don't want to wreck the bag. Ooh, Donna. Oh, look at this, guys. Cheese and goodies. And goodies. And that's what this book's about, actually. Alright. So let's take this out. Okay, we got some, I think this is double-sided tape. I always use that, that's cool. And look at her ATC, Donna Hunger. I said 2, not, it's times 3. I thought that was wrong. Today is not my day. Donna Dreams times 3 on YouTube. Yeah, she got some little beads. She got vintage paper. And look at this, is so cool. It's a calendar. That is a cool idea, Donna. I seen everybody hold these. I was hoping I was gonna get one when mine got sent to me. I was like, I hope I get a calendar too. So let's see. We're gonna put this over here. You guys see it? I am hoping I can kick this. It doesn't get worse. So we got a piece of paper. Botanical. Cool. Oh, we got a box and some string. Another cool vintage little box. Oh, I bet you this is a handle. I've seen that. That's right. This is kind of cool. You can make it and put the handle on. And the string. Okay. And we got a tag. We got some leafy thing, and it looks like a actually looks like a plant over there in my window. I got plants from father-in-law's rental that looks like that. Got some mushroom. We got like this little piece that's like a little bit of checklist or all sorts of stuff. And then we got, oh, I thought this was one piece of paper. This one. Oh, I like how this looks burnt. Did you do that? And then this one. Cool. So, let's do the book. So in this book is, we get all this nice stuff, and most of the time we put it away and we forget we have it. Well, Kathy came up with this idea of doing a page when you receive. So, like this one's Sabrina's, and this one's Sabrina's. This is Deetra's. So now we're going to do Donna. We're going to do Donna's. So, got my giant glue stick here. Oh, sorry. And we're going to do a little layout. I don't want to cover everything. Like so. I like her bag. I want to keep it so I can use it again. So I think I'll do it like that. I want to do it like that. Well, I guess it don't matter, actually. We'll do it like that. So you flip it open and stick stuff in there. Like the box for now. And we can kind of just do like this. Move that. Yeah. Move this over. Like that. And then we got the little tag. And I know there's a big little pieces right there. Okay. There we go. This is what we're going to work on. Alrighty. Let's go. I've been drinking some hot tea. and lemon and gargled and throat lozenges. I tell you, I don't know why. I don't even know how I caught it, so. But I did go grocery shopping. I usually don't leave the house that often, so it's like I usually pick it up from somebody that comes into by me, and that would be Scott, you know, working with a lot of people, coming home. Diamond the other day was over. You know, I just don't know. Oh, excuse me. Oops, I didn't get the top. I feel it when I picked it up. Put that right there. And we're going to do the same with the bag. That's some cool paper. I don't know where she found that. That's some cool paper. I think she made the little bag too. So nice. This little package had a trip to get here. I was watching it. I wanted to say, I want to say Nebraska. It's like I'm gonna hang in Nebraska. So I'm gonna put my little suitcase in there, and a little string, and the handle. So I always that. And I'm gonna come back and use that. So let's stick that right in there for now. There we go. And we're gonna stick this one on here. Oh, not the tag wants to. The tag wants to be put on the back side, I guess. I do. And I'll put this one right there. And we got these little ones that we got. I'll put that. I'll put that right there. Good spot for that. And we're gonna put these like stick the tag like that. I'll put that one like okay. There. Oops. I turned around, the writing was upside down. There we go. I tell you one thing, this glue is really good, but you gotta be spot on because it gets tacky real quick, and you gotta be spot on when you want to put it on. But it's good glue. I'll buy this again, I'll tell you. Oh, now I want Donna's name off the package. I just want her name. I don't want her address. So it's tiny, but it's alright because I'm still taking it. Okay. Oops. Oh. Yeah. I'll put Donna's name right there. Okay. Now. Oh. Stuck to my finger. Okay. Alright. And we're going to put Donna rings 3, January 26, 2024. Ms. Katz crafting 2024 ATC trade. There you go. And I'm just going to put a little arrow. I mean, most people can realize it's both, but you never know. I'm going to realize that what you think and expect. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. This is really cute, Donna. I love my ATC card. So, now, I like her facts, but I don't know if I'd use it. I'm going to sit on. It'd be cute to sit on my desk, but it'd get lost. So, I haven't got a binder for all the ATCs. And I ran this off, and I go stick it in my binder. There we go. That's so cute, too. That's Sabrina's, that's Dee Dee's, or Dedra. Oh, my God. Deetra's. I can't say her name wrong. I'm very sorry about that. And Donna's. If you would like to join this swap, if I remember, I'll be honest, I'm not all in it because I don't feel bad. I have all Miss Kat's information in the description box to go over to her Facebook group as well as her YouTube channel, and you can contact her. I love doing these little ATC swaps. You don't necessarily have to send goodies. You could just send an ATC. Oh, now I also have mine going on. All right, it's a birthday challenge giveaway. How to enter? Make one birthday themed ATC card. Please put your name, your YouTube channel name, your address on the back. One entry. If you send goodies, you get 2 extra entries. There are 2 winners, 2 giveaways, A and B. Search January 23rd. Well, it's already 26. And ends March 6th. But I will wait till my mailman comes on March 7th when it's my birthday. On the 6th, we have the spirit dinner. So it'll be quite busy. And you're all going to be like, what's a spirit dinner? In an Ava culture, when you lose a loved one, you, for a year, every time a family gathers for a whole year, you make a spirit plate, and you put it out, and you let the spirit come and eat, or the animals to take animals. So on the March 6th, due to the fact it's Dad's anniversary of his death, we have one more spirit dinner, and then it's done. You only celebrate the date next year, not all year long. And then it's when all his descendants gather, or like we gather, Diamond's children. It's their culture, so we do their cultures. So on the 7th is my birthday. I don't think we're doing anything on the 7th due to the fact of the March 6th. And then I will be picking the winner that evening, sometime on March 7th. I will give you a time when it's closer to that date. If you do not have my new address, please contact me at tinascraftylife@gmail.com. And if you would like to see the prizes, I have a video up on my channel. So go over and check that video out. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Good night, everybody.